awareness, okay, to make everybody wale. Something that is visible to everybody. Kíyọ̀ bí máa fi rẹ̀ máa wé ọmọ Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ ọmọ Ọdúnládé ọmọ àwọn dìbèjì láti. It is not about how far, it is how well. You are not on same level with these people. Wọ́n ti lọ síwájú. You are not here. Because if you are here, to lọ lo bí 15 days ní sẹ́ẹ̀tì sinimá movie. Tó ń direct lọ́tún, tó ń direct lọ́sí. Ẹ̀mí ló fi máa ráyè. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé ní láti ìgbà tó ti dé láti ìlú òkè tó ti lọ tó ti dé, tó bá jẹ́ wípé ó ti gba ṣe MC ẹ̀yọ̀ kankan ni. Tó jẹ́ pé ṣe MC kan ẹ̀yọ̀ kan ló ti gbà yóò dá. At least you be busy. There is nothing going on in that guy's life outside this OG for him. Then this guy will just presidency and me understand. Wait, to be president, all people you be that one of me. Oh, come on, some people you don't want to come back to the venture, want to put that in again. So the money to one thing woman believe to the business. But that last thing, Emma be Emma shaking, Emma you go so shaking so. All this is not me being it is because they know that spending they are looking for you. Can you report yourself to them? I don't understand. Landlord, when they know whether the underground to be lot of supervise. Get down, ask one simple question, cool it down. No. As the police invited these people to or no invitation, and that is the question they need to ask you or me and the old people don't wear our lot that ground for Shishela. All of party invite all people here. This was the same party watching for loss of a border, don't follow city, don't follow airport, money can be crocodile, money shaking the car, the DSS is on the case, the guinea cock in the same place here. No need moving to Tanzania to Canada. She must not stop like that. She must not cease. So, victimization. If anybody has contact anywhere, you can pick anybody. Never the logo. Only voice notes continue me play. Ní woman tó sọ wípé wọ́n lè di wípé tó wá sí èkó tó fẹ́ wá gbé spẹ́ẹ̀lì tí woman yẹn sọ wípé wọ́n máa gbìjú àwọn wípé òun ò lè lọ sí court lọ gbé spẹ́ẹ̀lì ní pé kọ́ lọ gbé wá sí wípé kí àwọn ọlọ́pàá ṣe tactical team ṣe yàbá police pé kọ́ lọ arrest kọ́ wá pé àwọn ò lè lọ síbẹ̀ wípé wọ́n máa fídíò wọn. If you are doing an official duty, don't shake the cat. Why will you be scared? What's a video? You see, the presidency, nobody tell me presidency no for any other local. So yes, she may be popular. And it is also possible that she nobody tell me presidency no for any other. We need go and arrest these people. Also from a video. He gave her money. What has the popularity done for CP? Lagos, the president Lagos State CP declared you would have wanted. He went on TV to say that yes, if we see him, we are going to arrest him anyway, and we are going to make sure he's arrested. Tired. Try to make this video to presidential Daniel. Do you know what they call presidency? On the right top, that's time. I don't understand. Like, even if you are doing something that is right, presidential, I'm saying governor, I'm senator, who are interested. Okay, and listen, let me tell you something. Just to look at the everybody know we the arrest of Regina's brother Bennett you are not talking of the president. President ti sọ pé kọ́ lọ arrest èèyàn kan ibi tó ń sàpamọ́ sí ìwọ ló wá sọ fún wọn go and report yourself to Abuja on presidential order. Kí ló ń sọ lẹ́nu náà? Presidency ní interest lórí case, presidency ní interest lórí case, wọ́n sọ fún ẹgbẹ́ super kan ló wà in charge. Are you okay?
Academic Institute.
Tí mo wí pé àwọn dìdì rìn, àwọn lọ́wọ́ tó ń tẹ̀lé. And you know, because this whole thing, it is content. It is engagement for these people. So in as much as no, bá ti ń gbọ́ is presidential is kìnìkan is ṣe kìnìkan. Because I don't understand. Let us be sincere. Ìjà wo ni Yomi ń bá Arifaja? Let us be sincere with ourselves. Tí o bá ń ṣe pé dá pé ó ní kankan nínú. Let us agree that okay, presidency ni pé okay o, come people yìí, come lọ treat the case, come arrest gbogbo people yìí, come tún case ṣe. The end goal is the fact that these people are arrested, irrespective of any tí o bá ń kó arrest yẹn. So why is it that okay, ẹtì gbéṣẹ́ fún ibi o ti ní pé wọ́n ti gbé case file fún àwọn people yìí, okay, wọ́n ti rí nínú àwọn tó yẹ kó arrest spending one wọn, ṣé àwọn tí tó yẹ kó arrest yẹn, ṣé àwọn náà lọ arrest yẹn? Yes. So why is Yomi lamenting? Why is he saying he's going to sue that police, that super or anything? Ṣé torí pé kò ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀ ni? Or spending according to Yomi, ṣé spending ò sí náà àwọn tó yẹ kó arrest ni? So if he's on that list and he's been arrested, then why are you angry? At least you should be celebrating and jubilating and say like, at least go there minimum, go there volume, at least we are making progress. Because the end goal is the fact that we are looking for justice. But out of the blue, you are saying you are going to sue the Supo because they are working with another person to effect the arrest. I don't understand. In the line of duty of a police officer trying to solve a crime, they will say like anybody that has valuable information that can help them to resolve their case, they are welcome to it. So if the likes of Arifa and Co have credible information that can help the police to do their job and resolve this whole case and they presented it to the police, what's the issue? What's the issue? But the thing is, àwọn méjèèjì, olórí ẹbí fúnra ẹ̀, Baba Riano, gbogbo wọn pátápátá, they know it is all content. They know there is nothing anywhere. They know it is content. They know what they are doing is just film. But the economist has said it all. The ends will justify the means. But people I don't understand. Because it's just their obsession with lies. It's just their obsession with lies. Go and check everything. Why will Yomi go to apologize to Lori Ebi? If not for the old drama and content still Yomi for the past few months or anything, what exactly is happening on that platform, on Lori Ebi's platform? What exactly is happening there? Nothing now. Nothing. The only person who is giving them content, those who come and consult you, what they finally is Yomi. And that is why Baba Riano is saying, in the course of this, who is working? What exactly is he doing? What exactly is the work that he's doing? I want some block, me understand. What did this of it now? That will kill a kilo now. Contents will kill every video customer kill every to suffer more. Who is going to be the next person that is going to come out? Because one thing about this whole thing is the fact that I'm not going to be surprised if tomorrow it is going to be Blessing or anybody that somebody will still come out again. If it's somebody will just come out tomorrow and do one or two things. So Ọlọ́run máa ń bá wọn ṣe tó fi jẹ́ wípé kò paná nídìí àrò wọn láti máa dáwọ́ yẹn. Ẹlòmíì àtún gbé nǹkan dé. Èèyàn kan tún gbé nǹkan dé sí i. Wọ́n lè sọ pé okay náà. The only thing these old people want and they've been waiting for is for Wunmi to be arrested. Ọjọ́ tí news yẹn bá jáde wípé ló fẹ́ lọ sí fún FCID yẹn ni kó tiẹ̀ débẹ̀ kó tiẹ̀ kan bá ya picture ẹ̀ lásán. Tó bá ya picture yẹn lásán, owó dé. That's what they are looking for in all of this. But I keep asking, why not just go to the police and tell them that ẹjọ́ tó rí tọ́lọ́ ṣe rọ́mọ òun mi ẹ bá wà arrest yẹn. That's all. Leave spending, leave Damola, leave all those people. They are not your targets. You know for you. You know who your target is. MN10 one now. So why not just go after her? But any government for you, our ọlọ́pàá tẹ gbéṣẹ́ fún government for you. That the outcome is going to be brutal. You know that you dare not go for her. You know that there is no case anywhere in Bukonkotenso. You know that there is no case. Because this is a crime that happened within a jurisdiction. And it's a federal, I don't understand. So more crime don't pay the federal crime money. In the case of Timothy, or anything, they have to return it back to Osun State because that's the jurisdiction. If it's in condition, so you think they will try this case in Abuja? They will see Kini come. I want the Koshi and everything. I set up a special squad. Lori Kini. These people will tell you, I like the submission of benevolence. Benetiso. To see all lọ́wọ́ sí mọ́ ẹ ṣáàtìmọ̀ pé òun ti wà justice láti lẹ̀ to see all lọ́wọ́ sí màmá ò lọ́wọ́ sí gbogbo family ti filẹ̀ fún yín. We will now give you, in fact, we will give you extra. She be ní ìsìn tí Jose ti dá yọwọ́ kúrò lọ́rọ̀ yìí sí àti máa lọ sí bí 3 weeks if no 1 month in sin.
Sorry, bro, very quickly. Gbogbo family ti compromise.
So any time they compromise to just say any lemon bit justice we will give you guys to the end of December. We and lost it to December. You see the compromise. Okay, compromise. Anti-justice in Latin. Adora, anti-justice. You see the compromise. Mamati compromise. Blessing the compromise. Barrister Shifa Dili de Okoba compromise. Udumosu compromise. Sashi to compromise. Muyiwa compromise. Take a true now. Since at least she be lawyer yet, public lawyer yet, the Lagua barrister, Ukiriki, Abikilorukonya, but some people you can do it without the family. Lagos State government, compromise. Nigerian police force, compromise. Corona inquest, compromise. Everybody, pathologists, compromise. So, there, compromise. We will give you to the end of December. So, you guys should just try and give us that justice. Let us see what you are doing. Wait, when you guys are now ready for the real justice, because justice is there, Sonia. I'm like, justice here, sure. But when you are ready for the real justice, when you people are done with your own shenanigans, no matter how long it takes, and when you have justice, will now show you, like, okay, this is what justice means in this case. Tí ò ní sí lórí irọ́, tí ò ní sí lórí bully, tí ò ní sí lórí àdámọ́, tí ò ní sí lórí tẹ̀mbẹ̀lẹ̀kún, tí ò ní sí nínú witch hunting. Then the real justice will be served in this case. So gbogbo ìtẹ̀sí ń ṣe yìí. Egun yìí tó ọkọ̀ tó ẹkùn tí ń tèkì táìmù jù ni. Ìran lè máa wò pẹ́. Ẹ̀mí èèyàn tó ti wá, tó ti jójú ẹ̀sìn, tó ti wọlé. You know the good thing about this whole thing is the fact that law would kò sí anybody tó tọ́ ipasẹ̀ tán bíbo ìtọ́ yìí tí ó jẹ́ wípé bí a pé ó ṣe ẹlẹ́yà àbó ṣe ẹ̀sìn wọlé ni. None mọ́ none of them tó ti jáde tó ti wá ṣiṣẹ́ ẹlẹ́yà tó ti ṣe kíní kan ṣe jọjọ ó máa ń ṣẹ̀sìn ni go and check all of them. Go and check all of them. But be here ẹ máa wò wọ́n ẹ kọ́ sọ́kọ́ ṣe kí ẹ lọ bò wọ́n tó bá ti dé tó ti jẹ́ wípé irọ́ ló fi ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ló fi ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ó máa kọ́kọ́ jẹ lọ bí ó ṣe á bọ̀ wọ́n á tẹ̀lé ẹ wọ́n á ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ port ẹ̀sìn ló máa ń gbẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ ẹ̀sìn àtẹ̀lẹ́yà òun ló máa gbẹ̀yìn go and check their host God bless you Sammy Jojo níbo náà wà lẹ́nìí wọ́n pọ̀ lóríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ òun yìí ṣe kíní kan ìkan òun yìí ṣe kíní kan níbo ni gbogbo àwọn God's protection wèrè kan àbí èwo ló máa lọ ń ka sáàmù tó máa ń pariwo lórí platform lórí ẹbí ń gbà yẹn níbo náà wà sí. Debbie nìyẹn Deborah. ẹ̀sán níbo náà wà sí poor grace gbogbo àwọn critical wèrè tọ́jọ́ kóra wọn pọ̀ níbo náà wà lẹ́nìí níbo náà wà lẹ́nìí dáàdi wọn ní DNA níbo ló wà lẹ́nìí. There is nobody láàrin àwọn bíbí tẹ́lẹ̀ mú jáde tẹ́lẹ̀ sọ wípé ẹni yìí o tó ṣe dúró lórí justice for Mohbad ẹni yìí yes a lè sọ wípé ó dúró tán wọ́n ṣẹ̀sìn ni kò sí nǹkan kan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe because ẹ láyọ̀ rí ẹ ṣe ẹ good news rí ẹ lè sọ wípé ókè o àti ṣe nǹkan báyìí láàrin ara yín òun ni competition wà. Because I don't get it. And no results. And they should know can you know for over 2 years. But it's well with them. I wish them the best of luck. If it's taking my end this month, so I don't know. We are going to see the end of this thing together. If at the end of the day, tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti rí ọmọ yìí tẹ́ ẹ̀ rí jáwálẹ̀ then it is going to be shame on you. Ojú tí ẹ ti yàn lẹ́bi o but we'll be here till the end to watch because kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ní ṣẹlẹ̀ yà lọ a máa dúró sí bíbá yìí a máa wò at least bíbá yìí kan náà àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ làwa ti ń búyọ̀ mi bíbá yìí ẹ̀yin lẹ́ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ dé later ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá sọ wípé scammer ni àwa kọ́ la sọ yẹn fún yín so àwa kọ́ la compromise yín ẹ̀yin lẹ́ compromise fúnra yín. So kò ń ṣe pé bíbá yìí náà ti kọ́ yín but the Lord will see you through ọlọ́run fún wọn ní okun àtagbára kò ní sóyún kò ní rẹ̀yìn o ibi tẹ́tí mú jáde tẹ́fí ń dáwọ́ yẹn kò ní kúrò kò ní tán bẹ́ẹ̀ agbára tẹ́fí máa ṣiṣẹ́ àtẹ̀yìn tẹ́ wà nù tútù àbẹ́yìn tẹ́ wà nù orú Nàìjíríà tẹ́fí máa ṣiṣẹ́ tó fi jẹ́ pé tẹ́yìn bá ti ṣiṣẹ́ ẹlòmíì ló máa jèrè ẹ̀ ọlọ́run á fún yín nípa àtagbára yẹn. Thank you very much everybody. I wish you all a wonderful day. Thank you.
Àdúrà yẹn announcement ẹ dákun ohun tó ń pọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ ní ló ń dùn ni ẹ dákun ẹ máa bá mi fi òté mú pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì sí pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì etí mi ń jà ẹ jẹ́ ká máa identify pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì tó ń sọ tẹ́mú pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì ní ká máa pè tí tó ń pariwo torí wàhálà tó wà lọ́rùn Tinubu gan ó ju ti Mohbad lọ lọ́wọ́ yẹn pẹ́ ti ya wèrè àwọn mọ́ríkà wọ́n kógun bọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ni pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì yẹ́sọ̀ tẹ́mù pírẹsidẹ́ǹtì ti yọ̀ mí òun ni kẹ́ máa bá fi sí ẹ dákun ọmọ ti dà ti wà lókè. Ó yá ìyá wa dàbí tí ṣe má bínú. Mo ní kí sáré ṣe announcement.
Ọkọ tí mo máa fẹ́ sọ pẹ́sidẹ̀ntì rí láti mo ti rẹ́rìn yóò bẹ́ẹ̀ bí bẹ́ẹ̀. Pẹ́sidẹ̀ntì ló ń tún mí jàre. Ènìyàn burú ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀jẹ̀ ká kọ́ lẹ́tà yìí.
Ṣé mi ò jáde léèrè ni?
Ọ̀rẹ́ ìbò.
Níbo ló wà bóde o?
Rọ́kẹ́ bọ́ọ̀bù tí wù mí gbà ló ṣe lọ́jà poró ẹ̀.
Bóyá kí àwọn pẹ́sidẹ̀ntì ti wà ní Yomi ti gba amúnáìsẹ̀sọ̀.
Ó bá ṣe lè lọ́pẹ́ bàbá fi téèmù sí. Téèmù
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni pọ̀ bóde o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni pọ̀ bóde o. Bóde o.
lórí ibù.
Jaguda bàbá bóde bóde o.
Ojú tí mo bá ní kèsì lọ, ó lò sí. Olóògùn sàkábàjẹ́ máa gbá wọn lọ, àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dẹ̀.
Wakadede, I didn't know since Yella ló pariwo lórí TikTok. Now you give your big presidential amortization order.
Security agency.
Abájọ tí yóò fi ṣe amúnáìsí gbogbo wa papọ̀.
Ẹ kọ́ amúnáìsí.
Èmi ò burú, can we go now?
Eléèbùbù.
Mi ti ń fẹ́ gbọ́ lẹ́tà yẹn látẹ̀kọ́. Lẹ́tà yẹn ò kúkú pọ̀ náà, so a ti gbọ́ tán látẹ̀kọ́ báyìí.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí èèyàn burú ṣe wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Tó dẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Ọyọ ẹ̀gbọ́n sọ.
Ẹ̀rẹ́dì. Àwọn ta ti fẹ́ gbọ́ pọ̀.
Bountifully. Where me, I will not. Wọ́n ní pé tó bá ń wẹ̀ tí wèrè bá ń tẹ̀ láṣọ lọ. Bó ṣe wà ń wòwò tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ilé wèrè tó kó aṣọ ẹ lọ. Wèrè ló máa pè wọ́n náà. So mo ti rí pé o ní àkànná o ò dẹ̀ fẹ́ seek help. So me, I will not join you in your madness. I won't. Oh, because àtìgbà tó ti bú mí sí, ọjọ́ wo lo drag mi tẹ́ pé ilé ọkọ̀ tí bẹ̀rẹ̀ bá sọ, òun náà wọ́n máa mú jẹ́ wá ní àwọn tí wá fún un, wọ́n fẹ́ ba ilé ẹ̀ jẹ́ o, wọ́n fẹ́ gbẹ̀mí ẹ̀ o. Èmi ò dẹ̀ ráyè yẹn. So kó sì lọ òórùn ní ìráyè. So kó síbẹ̀ para ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. The only way tí nǹkan tó máa ṣe tó máa freak ní obìnrin violence, me I'm saying it on my word. The only thing that you will do that I will feel pé you deserve my response is the day that you can single-handedly arrest Wunmi and prosecute her. Tó o bá lè ṣe yẹn, àwa ṣì ní ìyáláyà tó bí ìyáláyà ẹ̀. Àwa ṣì ní the mother that mother your freaking God-forsaken mother. Am I making sense? So kó ṣì lọ. Mo ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ ráìdọ̀ ìyàwó. The same demon that create nígbà Joseph Aloba. Nígbà Joseph Aloba tí tètè caution yẹn because ẹ̀ ń pamọ́ra kìíní kan Wunmi team they will laugh at us. Ẹ má jà sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá. Wunmi team will laugh at us kìíní kan. Òun ní Joseph Aloba fi di nonsense sí lọ́wọ́ yẹn. And the same privilege, the same thing you are giving to Yomi Fabi. Because tell me, what is special when Yomi Fabi arrested you? Even though he arrested them based on lies, based on nonsense, based on bribery. Ṣé ẹ̀yin rò pé àwọn ọmọ wa sọ pé wọ́n ti fún àwọn pípù yẹn ní bẹ́ẹ̀ olórí burúkú nìyí ni? Ṣé àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe ọmọ yìí ṣé wọ́n pa ọmọ yìí ni àbí ẹ̀rọ bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn? Àbí ṣe rí àdá lọ́wọ́ wọn tí wọ́n fi pa gbogbo àdá yẹn? Not saying that they cannot build it. I don't understand. What shred of evidence do you have that you feel that is substantial enough for you people to hold them? I don't know. So kí ló ń surprise yín pé wọ́n ní wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀lì kínní, wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀lì spending, wọ́n ti bẹ́ẹ̀lì Dàmọ́lá, spending náà wọ́n ti ṣe bail application ni. Òun la fi máa ń sọ fún yín pé it's not by cho-cho-cho. Social media is not real life at all. It's not real life. You can make all the noise that you want, but when it comes to reality, it's still noise. So ẹgbẹ́ wọn, èmi ń dọ́bù díẹ̀ Yomi Fabi. Tí wọ́n bá bí pọ̀nrín máa kọ́ pọ̀nrín ìyá aláya tó bí ìyá aláya ẹ̀. Tó o bá lè arrest ọmọ wọn yẹn, kó wá prosecute wọn lọ sí court. IPO wọn máa ṣe tiẹ̀, commissioner máa ṣe tiẹ̀, AIG wọn máa ṣe tiẹ̀, everybody kan ṣàṣe rádaràda. And you people, you saw a lacuna and you decide to take the lacuna to try and oppress people because you are trying to count score. Ẹ wá bèèrè lọ́wọ́ ara yín pé kí ló dé tí wọ́n bèèrè wọn. Ẹ̀yin ní kẹ́ lọ mú wọn kẹ́ẹ̀tì wọ́n mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kẹ́ẹ̀tì wọ́n mọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún 100 years ṣẹ́gbọ́. Nọ́ọ̀sì gan tó gúnyàn lábẹ́rẹ́ gan, ó sì ń sunú ilé ẹ̀, wọ́n jí tó ń jẹun, tó ń gbádùn ayé tó lọ sí club.
Báwo lè ṣe mọ̀ pé nọ́ọ̀sì gan ló gún lábẹ́rẹ́?
Damola and the likes, they don't have the right to live. Imagine kẹ́ máa sọ pé ẹ̀yin gbọ́ pé àdúrà ó travel kíní kan ó ti sálọ as how now? Bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà yẹn náà tí bọ́ọ̀sù àti sọ pé Wùmí ò lọ sí Tanzania, òun irọ́ ni kíní kan. Imagine the level of stupidity. Imagine. These people level of stupidity is staggering. But we can all travel as per how. Is she a suspect in the murder case or whatever case you think that you have cooked up in your head? I don't understand. Is she a suspect that she cannot travel? Is she an ex-con that she cannot travel? Make it make sense. When you people, you refuse to use your medulla oblongata and the
medulla oblongata
start unravel before your eyes. Emma Maria magic. Emma Maria being oblongata. Because you refuse to look brain. And if things start unravel the way it should be, Emma Maria, when you're calling Baba, calling Bejo, you're calling Baba Sally, but there's no magic anyway. Nobody will turn light to truth to appease your ego. Nobody will do that. Because we have laws and we have consequences. So ẹ̀yin ò lè kórí burúkú yín kẹlọ kó báwọn èèyàn. Imagine idiot tó sọ̀rọ̀ pé ọ̀wọ́n jẹ́ ọ̀dà grant yẹn. Wọ́n sọ pé kíní kan when they said the WhatsApp group àwọn tó lágbára láti create WhatsApp group. Ṣé ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe ọ̀dà grant yẹn? You don't have WhatsApp group. Why didn't you add the whole of the Nigerian Republic to your WhatsApp group? In fact, I'm going too far. Why didn't you add the whole of J4M in your WhatsApp group? Let them know what you are talking about. Is it a secret cult? What are you saying in your underground WhatsApp group that you could not add everybody, including any platform, Kawa Ganusi? Máa tẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá yín lára mu, tábà ṣùgbọ́n tẹ̀ láì kẹ́ lè ṣáwá ń blọ́ọ̀kì. Adé máa fi ṣoṣù, a máa fi para. Why didn't you add everybody? If I say the whole of Nigeria, I'm stretching it. Why didn't you have the whole of everybody in your WhatsApp group? Because you are castigating Iyabo Ojo for having a WhatsApp group to discuss the progress of a case. How is that a crime? And you people made it, you made a mountain out of a molehill. You twist and you tune it. Iyabo, Mabo. Wọ́n fẹ́ kó dé láti ìgbéyàwó tó lọ lọ́kọ̀. Imagine, you people, you will just in the corner of your stupid house where you belong, and you will be conjoining how things should be. Kọ́kọ́ gba òun yẹn mú báyìí. Wọ́n á ti gba òun báyìí. Kọ́kọ́ gbé wọn lọ sí firing squad. Kọ́kọ́ yìí wọ́n bọ̀ ni. Kọ́kọ́ gbé wọn bí báyìí. Tọ́ bá ti gbé báyìí. Kó sáré yà á bishop kó sáré pèsè kíní báyìí. Pé you are found guilty. You will start conjoining everything. And tẹ́ bá rí pé gbogbo yẹn orí náà ni ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ òun ẹlẹ́kẹ̀ ló ń gbé. Ojú àlá ni mi ti di àgbàdo olùkọ́ fún ìrọ̀lẹ́ máa wù. You can't do shit to her. That's just it. You can't do shit to her. Because in my years on earth, me, Olbiti, Okukuma, Bori Mole, no. Life can just go for a stretch. If the truth ẹ̀yàn mi lè máa bómi lọ èmi gan depression á pa problem family yìí nìyẹn. If you decide to live what the truth is and be seeking for your own truth based on your own manipulation, based on your conspiracy theories, whatever the end result is, it's on you and it's on your family. It's nobody's problem. In fact, it's not Josie's problem. Because if Josie ba mulamba left me and you refuse to do your own finding, only Bíbélì sọ pé only one gbogbo dájú kò dẹ̀dí tó jẹ́ òtítọ́ mu.
Akíkà.
You have a brain for a reason. Tí Josie ba ju lamba left me and you deem it fit, you've heard from everybody, they've gone to the court, the coroner was there for almost 2 years. You had all the opportunity to ask all your questions. You did autopsy result not once, you did it twice. You did toxicology. There is testimony from all the witnesses. It's a different thing. The Bible witness here, bí àwọn ti kú. Àdúgbò jẹ́ pé bí àwọn mi nìkan àti Mohbad lọ́jọ́ ń gbé nílé yẹn. You can say her testimony can be shady. She might say, but she wasn't the only one in that house. And all of them, the police have done their own investigation. They've come out with their preliminary report. And you are still saying no. And you tell me Nigeria that you were not even in the house. That you were not even in the house. You were not present in the house. And you let them dictate what is the truth. No big madness be that. No big grace be that. No big juju be that. So and nothing is changing. And you want to make problem problem family when I go solo lati that tinja mi rorun sun ko ogun eni mi ron je ebi o pe ni man ebi o pe ni kini kan gbogbo ẹ̀sùn mi tó bá ṣe ẹgbẹ́ sódò kò jẹ́ wọn múyàn sí tára bá ní ẹjú jẹ́ fún ẹ̀mú ẹ̀ kò lọ bó ṣe fẹ́ lọ parẹ́ bọ́ síwájú tírélà bọ́ síwájú train ẹ ló dé ó pèsè for that one àbí iṣẹ́ múyàn sí gbogbo yẹn ni kíní kan mi rò ó jẹ tí olùkọ́ lọ gas strike lọ lose weight fasting dáfara wọ́n fi yẹn manipulate yàn wọ́n fi yẹn kéèyàn lékè ẹ̀yin ní wèrè lẹ́yìn ló ṣí bá yín ẹ̀ràn ẹ̀yin nìkan sọnù lọ́wọ́ yín tẹ̀ wá kiri because you cannot be searching for nothing. It's not possible. Ẹ fi òtítọ́ sílẹ̀ ẹ wá fẹ́ máa wá nǹkan tí ẹ̀yin believe. Ẹ wá fẹ́ máa wá nǹkan tí ẹ̀yin believe that is the truth. So it's on you. If you waste your money, waste your time, waste your resources, waste your health, it's on you, man. Josie ti rí pé olórí burúkú ni yín kò síbi tẹ́lẹ̀ bá yàrá já. Josie ti rí pé ayé yín ti pin ìkí sórí jẹ́ fún ẹ. Ó dẹ̀ ti fi yín sílẹ̀ ẹ̀ka ìpè kẹ́ máa bá yín bẹ̀. Ẹ máa ṣe orí burúkú yín bẹ̀. Ṣé wọ́n fi wọ́n sọ̀lẹ̀ fún yín ní justice ni? Ṣèbí ṣútù ò lè fún yín justice ni? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ nu ẹ̀lẹ́ yín náà wà yẹn? Ẹ̀yin náà ẹ fún Josie justice náà. Àkẹ́sọ̀ tó tọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta ń sìn tí Josie ti fi yín lẹ̀ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Josie ti compromise kíní kan ọ̀hún àti Wùmí wọ́n ti lọ múlẹ̀ wọ́n tó ṣe bẹ́yìn àti ẹ̀yìn àti Wùmí ò ṣàmúlẹ̀ so you should be able to give us justice àwa ti fọwọ́ lẹ́rọ̀ nígbà ẹ̀yin justice yẹn làwa ń dúró dé that thing that you believe that Joseph Aloba could not do I want to see mi ń fẹ́ rí òtítọ́ irọ́ tẹ́fẹ́ kí Josie kó sọ di òótọ́ yẹn èmi fẹ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ sọ di òótọ́ èmi fẹ́ rí. Because then you ṣe then you have no right you have no audacity to drag Joseph Aloba or even Joseph Aloba kò sí lẹ́nu ní because Josie ṣàkọ́ ló ń da yín lọ́wọ́ dúró sí wọ́n ìwà kọ́ ló ń da yín lọ́wọ́ dúró sí náà àbí Josie has handed everything over to you all the power kò dá yín dúró kò lọ sí court lọ́gbà injunction bẹ́ẹ̀ lè sọ̀rọ̀ lè arrest kò ṣe yẹn wọ́n fi lé yín lọ́wọ́ máa bá yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Ṣíṣù ti compromise, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti lọ bribe ẹ̀, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti lọ múlẹ̀ẹ̀tẹ̀, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ti lọ oppress ẹ̀, mi ti lọ bá kíní kan. Ṣebí ẹ ti gba
chaser. If Julie is a lawyer who knows his onion, he will do the groundwork and he will still arrive in the same position where the platform stands. If Belema is any problem, the same way Tefini problem when Shitu, Tefini problem when the previous lawyer before Shitu. Because you will be in your own house in UK, in Canada, in US, you will be pushing people to go and commit the crime, all in the name of you are looking for J4M. You will be pushing the hands of people to do the unthinkable, just to satisfy your curiosity, to satisfy your ego. Who does that? Alone flight tickets. You know when you was sorry banana, sorry UK, sorry US, everybody now know online. Book tickets. Nigeria. And you know investigation, justice. They are going to surround the lawyer, we're going to surround the police to body, court to body, hospital to body, any body. Ẹ̀yin nìkan ni Alpha and Omega, ẹ̀yin nìkan ni Mother Teresa, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ gbogbo, ẹ̀yin ni arínúròde òrùmọ̀rọ̀kùn, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ gbà tí Mohbad kú, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ìgbẹ̀yìn tó sọ, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ aṣọ tó wọ̀ lọ́gbọ́n tó kú, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ ẹ̀mí ló tó tọ̀ kó tó kú, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀. Come to Nigeria. Èkó dùn, ẹ máa bọ̀, ẹ wá give justice yẹn. Abuja ti gba body, Zotu ti gba body, everywhere ló ti gba body. And you can try Zamfara, and try Maiduguri. Tí Maiduguri ò bá pè, ẹ bọ́ sí Asaba, ẹ lọ ṣùwá justice náà pè. At least ẹ máa fi parata sí state, ẹ bá Raja sí Kútọ́nù, àbí kẹ bá Raja sí Côte d'Ivoire. Ẹ ṣàrí justice níbi kan, àbí? If people who are trained in the cause of justice, who have experience, you people are saying Moshe, because they are not plying the road of what you tend to be justice. If the problem with what can I think of people? Shefeki won't borrow condo shoju money. Shefeki won't conjure evidence, Shefeki won't see poison in bloodstream.